Class 10th. Good morning, students, all the boys and girls, and your also parents, father, mother, सभी को मेरा प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। आज 10 अगस्त 2021। I am your SST teacher, history part, given by Dr. Rakesh Sharma. प्लीज़ ओपन पेज नंबर 63। कल तक हम लोग जहाँ तक पढ़े थे उसके आगे आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं। प्लीज़ सी पेज नंबर 63, हिस्ट्री पार्ट। प्लीज़ मेक नोट ऑल्सो, इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ हम बोलने जा रहे हैं, इसको नोट डाउन करिएगा। सोर्स सी, द इंडिपेंडेंस डे प्लेस 26 जनवरी 1930। वी बिलीव दैट इट इज़ द inalienable inalienable right of the Indian people, as of many other people, to have freedom and to enjoy the fruits of their toil and have the necessities, necessities, necessities means आवश्यकताएं of life, so that they may have full opportunities of growth. We believe also that if any government deprives a people of these rights and oppresses, oppresses them, the people have a further right to alter it or to abolish it. The British government in India has not only deprived the Indian people of their freedom, but has based itself on the exploitation, शोषण, EXPLOITATI, राइट टू एक्सप्लाइटेशन आप पढ़ चुके हैं। फंडामेंटल राइट्स का थर्ड पार्ट, 7 फंडामेंटल राइट्स आपको बताए गए हैं, जिसमें राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी आपके पेरेंट्स से गवर्नमेंट ने छीन लिया है, अब 6 बचे हैं, जिसमें थर्ड पर आता है राइट टू एक्सप्लाइटेशन, शोषण के विरुद्ध अधिकार। पहला है समता का अधिकार, राइट टू इक्वलिटी। दूसरा समानता का अधिकार, राइट टू सिमिलरिटी। एंड थर्ड है शोषण का अधिकार, राइट टू एक्सप्लाइटेशन। चौथा धार्मिक स्वतंत्रता अधिकार। इस तरह से संवैधानिक उपचारों का अधिकार, शिक्षा और संस्कृति का अधिकार। देयर आर हाफ डजन 6 पॉइंट्स। एक्सप्लाइटेशन ऑफ द मासेज एंड हैज़ रूइंड, बर्बाद कर दिया, इंडिया इकोनॉमिकली, पॉलिटिकली, कल्चरली CULTURALL एंड स्पिरिचुअली SPIRITUALL। वी बिलीव, हम विश्वास करते हैं, देयरफॉर दैट इंडिया मस्ट सीवियर द ब्रिटिश कनेक्शन एंड अटेन पूर्ण स्वराज। अटेन मीन्स टू गेट, टू अचीव, अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट, टू अटेन प्राप्ति के लिए, पूर्ण स्वराज और कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस। लेफ्ट साइड यू कैन सी इन दैट पेज number 63, class 10th, history part by Pandit Dr. Rakesh Sharma Saraswati. 3.1 The Short March and the Civil Disobedience Movement, DISOBEDIENC। Movement means Andolan. Mahatma Gandhi found in Salt a powerful symbol that could unite the nation. Full stop. On 31st January 1930, he sent a letter to Viceroy Irwin stating 11 demands। बिल्कुल क्लियर है, हिंदी आप समझ रहे हैं इसका। सम ऑफ दीज वेयर ऑफ जनरल इंटरेस्ट, अदर्स वेयर स्पेसिफिक डिमांड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट क्लासेस, फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट उद्योगपति INDUSTRIALISTS इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट्स टू पीजेंट्स। द आइडिया वॉज टू मेक द डिमांड्स वाइड रेंजिंग सो दैट ऑल क्लासेस विद इन Indian society could identify with them and everyone could be brought together in a united campaign, CAMPAIGM. The most stirring, stirring of all was the demand to abolish the salt tax, लवण कर, नमक पर जो कर लगा था, salt माने नमक। There are 3 or 4 types of salts, मालूम है, सेंधा नमक, ब्लैक सॉल्ट, काला नमक, जनरल सॉल्ट, पतंजलि का सॉल्ट है, टाटा आयोडीन, तमाम सॉल्ट्स की कैटेगरीज आ गई हैं मार्केट में। सॉल्ट वाज समथिंग consumed by rich and the poor alike, and it was one of the most essential items of food. The tax on salt and the government monopoly, MONOPOLY, monopoly over its production, Mahatma Gandhi declared, revealed the most oppressive phase to British rule. Next paragraph you can see in the textbook on that page. Mahatma Gandhi's letter was, in a way, an ultimatum, ultimatum. If the demands were not fulfilled by 11th March, the letter stated, the Congress would launch a civil disobedience campaign, CMPIGN campaign. Irwin was unwilling to negotiate, NAGOTIATE. So Mahatma Gandhi started his famous Salt March accompanied by 78 of his trusted volunteers. The march was over 240 miles from Gandhiji's ashram in Sabarmati to the Gujarati coastal town of Dandi. The volunteers, Swayangsevak, VOLUNTWERS, the volunteers walked for 24 days, about 10 miles a day. Thousands came to hear Mahatma Gandhi wherever he stopped, and he told them what he meant by Swaraj and urged them to peacefully defy the British. On 6th April, he reached Dandi and ceremonially, ceremonially violated the law, manufacturing salt by boiling sea water. Last para of this page, number 63 पर last para देखिए. This marked the beginning, BGINNG beginnings, प्रारंभ करते हुए. This marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. How was his movement different from the non-cooperation movement? People were now asked not only to refuse cooperation, Sahयोग, cooperation with the British. See the right side figure, number 7, the Dandi March. गांधी जी का दांडी यात्रा देखिए. During the Salt March, Mahatma Gandhi was accompanied, AWCOMPANID, accompanied by 78 volunteers. 78 स्वयंसेवक उनके साथ पैदल चल रहे थे. On the way, they were joined by thousands. बाद में वो हजारों की संख्या में जुड़ते गए, मिलते गए, लंबी यात्रा बनती गई. As they had done in 1921-22, but also to break colonial laws, COLONIAL. Thousands in different parts of the country broke the salt law, manufactured salt and demonstrated in front of government salt factories as the movement spread. Foreign cloth was boycotted, BOICOTTED, विदेशी कपड़ों का तिरस्कार किया गया. And liquor, LIQUOR, liquor shops were picketed, PICKETD, बंद किया गया. Peasants refused to pay revenue and चौकीदारी taxes, CHAUKIDARI, चौकीदारी taxes. Village officials resigned, and in many places forest people violated forest laws, going into reserve forests to collect wood and graze cattle. Next paragraph you can see in the textbook, page number 64. 8 just 64. 64 का अंडर रूट आप पढ़े 8. नेक्स्ट पेज पर आप देखिए, PTO प्लीज नंबर 64 पेज पर बीच में मध्य में देखिए. Worried by the developments, the colonial government began arresting the Congress leaders one by one. This led to violent clashes in many palaces. Palaces means राजधानियाँ. Palace, Rajmahal. When Abdul Ghaffar Khan, a devout disciple of Mahatma Gandhi, was arrested in April 1930, angry crowds demonstrated in the streets of Peshawar facing armored armored cars and police firing. Many were killed. A month later, when Mahatma Gandhi himself was arrested, industrial workers in Sholapur attacked police posts, municipal buildings, law courts and railway stations, all structures that symbolized, SYMBOLISD, symbolized British rule. A frightened, FRIGSTENED, a frightened government responded with a policy of brutal repression. Peaceful Satyagrahis, SATYAGRAHIS, Satyagrahis were attacked, women and children were beaten, and about 1 lakh 1 lakh people were arrested. Last para of this page. In such a situation, Mahatma Gandhi once again decided to call off the movement and entered into a pact with Irwin on 5th March 1931. By the Gandhi and Irwin Pact, Gandhiji consented to participate in a round table conference. The Congress had boycotted the first round table conference in London. Figure number 8, please see. Police had cracked down on Satyagrahis 1930. Next page, next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Good morning all the students and teachers, guardians, also parents. धन्यवाद. Thank you.